Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not recognized try again in iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you're facing trouble with your Face ID that your Face ID is not recognizing you, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go to your settings, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. So once you updated your software, just simply go back and you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. But before you do that, I recommend you have to try to clear your in-depth camera. You just have to make sure that you haven't any dirt or dust here. If you find this, try to clear that. And once you have cleared or cleaned your front camera or in-depth camera, just try to make a force restart. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone to enable your Face ID. Now you have to retry if your Face ID is working or not. If your Face ID is still not working, so go to your settings here, go to Face ID and passcode, and here just enter your iPhone passcode, and you just have to make sure that you have enabled your Face ID for specific tasks. For example, if you are using your Face ID with your with unlocking your iPhone, so you have to make sure that you have enabled the first toggle. If you're using iTunes and App Store, enable the second toggle there, and also for others. So if you have checked this, but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to scroll down, and here you might see the option of require attention for Face ID. So you can try to disable this and then tap on this OK option. Once you have disabled, have to retry if it's fixed your issue or not. Or you can also try to set up an alternative appearance to get more help or get Face ID more help to recognize you. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to reset your Face ID. Just try to reset your Face ID, and after resetting, just reset up your Face ID. Once you have reset it up your Face ID, you might not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issues, it's the only way. Just try to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use Apple Support app. Select your device from here. Select this more option. Just look for Face ID. Let's say I'm gonna select Face ID here and just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help. Then tap on Call This. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get actual help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.